Okay, we're going to talk about problem and solution. So, just refresh. A problem is something characters want to do, change, or find out. The way the problem is solved is the solution. So, in the story that we just read, there was a problem. There wasn't a problem like we think, oh no, something's wrong. It was just something that the characters wanted to find out. Okay, so the way that they fixed this problem or solved it was their solution. Now, they didn't just go problem solution, they had steps to take to reach their solution. Just like we talked about in the Thomas Edison story and in the robot story. You don't get there just like with the snap of your fingers, you have to take steps to reach a solution. So when you look at the organizer on this page, they've already done it for you. We're just going to go over it. We have the problem stated at the top. It says, Gilbert and Marta hear a new sound. That was what started off our story. They heard this crazy sound. Now, they didn't just ignore the sound, they took steps to figure out what was making it. They first checked if dad is making the sound. Well, they check if dad is making the sound. They check if Gramps is making the sound. And then they check if Anna is making the sound. They did all of these things to figure out what was making that sound. Now, in the end, they make a discovery. They solve their problem by finding out that the woodpecker was tapping a tree, which was the source of the sound. Okay, so they had a problem. They did things to figure out what was making the sound to fix the problem. And in the end, they fixed it. They said, oh, I know the sound. It's of a woodpecker tapping on a tree. Now, in order to make this organizer as nicely written and as evidence based, the people in the textbook did this for you. They used text evidence. Okay, remember text means words, like when we send a text with our cell phones or sending words. So if you look over here, they circled. What's that sound? Asked Gilbert. Now, is this the problem, a step, or the solution? What's that sound? Asked Gilbert. It is the problem. He doesn't know what's making that sound, okay? This is an example of the problem, okay? We're going to go over this for a new activity on our next slide.